Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the best products available online. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best eyelid cleansing solution on the market, the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Cleansing Wipes. If you're someone who deals with dry eyes, wears makeup regularly, or just wants to up your eyelid hygiene game, stay tuned for this full review. Let's kick things off with what exactly this product is. The Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Cleansing Wipes come in a pack of 2, with each box containing 30 individually wrapped wipes. That's 60 wipes total. Designed for all skin types, these disposable wipes are pre-moistened and infused with a rinse-free formula. What makes them stand out is how gentle yet effective they are. You don't need to rinse after using them. You just wipe and go. That's convenience at its best. These wipes are not just about cleansing, they're designed with eye health in mind. Whether you're removing makeup, excess oil, debris, or simply doing a daily lid hygiene routine, the formula is made to exfoliate gently while calming irritated eyelids. The inclusion of ingredients like panthenol and citric acid, combined with a carefully balanced formula of cleansing agents, allows for deep cleaning without causing irritation. That's especially important for those with sensitive eyes or conditions like blepharitis or dry eye syndrome. Using them is incredibly simple. Close your eye, take a single wipe, and gently sweep it across your eyelid and lash line. You'll instantly feel a soothing, clean sensation. Once done, there's no need to rinse, just let it air dry. It's also worth noting that these wipes are ophthalmologist recommended and can be used to prepare the eyes before surgeries or procedures, making them more than just your average face wipe. Let's talk about portability and packaging. Since each wipe is individually wrapped, you can toss a few in your bag, keep some at your desk, or even carry them in your car. They're ideal for travel or on-the-go moments when you can't do a full face wash but still want that refreshed feel. The compact box design makes storage easy and keeps everything hygienic. Now, what about performance? The wipes have consistently high user satisfaction with regard to their cleansing effectiveness and how they support daily eye health routines. They don't leave behind a sticky residue, and unlike some wipes on the market, there's no overpowering scent or harsh chemicals. The formulation includes safe, non-irritating ingredients and avoids alcohol and unnecessary fragrances. Lastly, the company behind these wipes, Bruder Healthcare, has a long-standing reputation for making eye care products that are trusted by medical professionals. These wipes are a strong addition to their range, and they are clearly crafted with both practicality and health benefits in mind. So, to wrap this up, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, travel-friendly, rinse-free cleansing wipe that prioritizes your eyelid health, the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Cleansing Wipes are your go-to choice. They offer gentle exfoliation, everyday convenience, and are suitable for anyone looking to keep their eye area clean and healthy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you've used these wipes or if you have a recommendation for another product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.